everybody, welcome back to Jonsson Legacy, and today we are going to play with this creation. So here we have edible slime. You've probably seen this before in stores or other YouTube videos, but we're doing it. So we have monster slime, jello clay. You go introduce that one, Sissy.
You too.
Okay. We have unicorn slime, jello clay. So there's the little descriptions on the back, so why don't we
I'll read it.
You go ahead, read yours first.
And my daughter's gonna play with the water. Climb aboard and get ready to soar. We're going to see a unicorn's power come to life. 1, 2. Search for rainbows and other magical creatures. Maybe we'll meet a fairy only our
That's one water.
imaginations can
But if we have hot water,
us
this
down
will
when
explode.
we use slime to play.
It's already as well.
Andrew, your turn.
Alright, meet a friendly monster. Get ready for a slime adventure. We're making monsters come to life. Do you think they have a scary power? Or have a secret hiding place? What if they have more than 2 eyes? There's only one way to find out when we use slime to play. So, ingredients and everything. We have our bowls, we have our hot water,
I
we
really
have
want that to explode
spoons.
on
So let's go ahead
because then I'm gonna go in the
pop these open.
under the table if it explodes.
Andrew, you're gonna do twice as much as what it says. You and Gordon are sharing.
Why they open first?
We're supposed to.
Okay. So,
That's exploded.
how much do we put in all?
That's what it said.
We need
Read
to
the
put
directions.
in- Measure
It accidentally even bigger.
3 level scoop of slime.
So you're gonna do 6.
Daddy, I need help reading it.
6.
3 scoops.
3.
She's so clean back there. I'm just.
Like, I'm so clean right here.
Yeah, you're the cleanest.
Jordan.
We're gonna put 1 scoop of water into
One.
there.
Just 1.
To start off with, at least.
Pink.
Okay. And then put 2 scoops. I'll put 1 scoop in there. In Andrew's.
Right.
Alright, now start mixing it.
Alright. All right, let's just
Where do we put the spins?
in the little cup.
No.
Put it in the bowl.
In the bowl of hot water. All right, let's get in there.
Stop.
Oh, were your hands clean?
Yes. Then go ahead.
Andrew, does it feel weird? Oh, that kind of looks like slime.
Biggest slime.
I'm gonna feel it.
We're gonna eat a monster.
Ew.
All right, careful.
There we go. Put some on the bowl.
This is my
What's your dessert?
dinner. That's true.
It smells.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I didn't need to wash our hands. Mom, I'm
You
writing.
guys are gonna have a big mess to clean up.
No.
I'm drawing.
Can we get a fork or a spoon?
You have your hands.
Look at Jordan.
Jordan, how's it taste?
Taste it.
Oh,
Good. Very thumbnail. Mama, it's drippy. I got this weird.
there, how was it taste
How are
like?
you the oldest and the messiest out of all three?
I haven't tried it yet.
Mm-hmm. You're not proud.
Try it. It's good.
Mommy's putting it
I didn't even taste it.
I like how I'm eating a monster's like
Looks like flubber.
Oh, it's spicy.
Jordan, what's it taste like?
disgusting, but in a good way.
That doesn't-
Put your finger in your mouth.
Let's go like this.
It's like real slime.
Hey, can I have a little bit of yours?
No.
Yes.
No, after we get our hands cleaned up.
We're like supposed to put that in the fridge and let it.
Then Jordan, Andrews is the messiest. Oh, I think he's doing this.
Alright, let's give opinions. What do you guys think?
Good.
Out of 10,
Bad.
yeah, I'd say like a weirdly,
It feels so weird.
I would say about a 5 or 6.
Why? I'm gonna keep playing
What
with
about
my
you?
slime.
Based on taste and how fun it is.
Oh, taste was 5 or 6, but the funness,
The taste.
4. I don't really get much
Was
like sticky.
The taste didn't really like it. So 1 minute.
Jordan, 1 out of 10 for taste.
Bad.
Bad?
He doesn't
So
like
what?
it at all.
Like 1, 2, 3.
I brought it to life.
Okay. What about for fun? 1 out of 10.
2.
2? Is it not very fun?
Okay. It was fun.
Okay, bye everybody. So hope you enjoyed today's video and like and subscribe.
Yeah, bye.
Ah.
I'm gonna keep